What's up, guys? Welcome back to MattDIY, and this is going to be part 6 of the garage rewiring lighting project, whatever we want to call it. So today we're actually going to, and I'm just going to flip you around, we're actually going to hang up the new pegboard right here and right over here around the panel. So we're going to cut 2 sections and hang those up, and then we will button up this, put the cover on it, hang up the garage control, and last but not least, put the generator plug on the wall, and I'll explain that later how that's going to work. But yeah, so that's the goal for today, guys. Go ahead and subscribe down below before we get started if you like these kind of projects and want to learn how to do things yourself around the house. And there'll be more to come in the future here too. This is the last part of this project, meaning we can get into other things moving forward. So if you think you might like it, go ahead and subscribe. But let's go ahead and jump in, guys. Alright guys, so I mixed up my math. So I actually don't need to cut this piece. This one's good to go. It's going to be about 1 inch smaller than what we ideally need, but I'm not buying a whole nother sheet just for 1 inch. So that's going to be the left hand side. It's going to be the right hand side, and we're good to go. So we're going to go in there. We're going to make a couple more cuts around where the boxes and stuff have to go. We're going to just draw those on and probably cut them with the jigsaw, but I'm going to go do that next. Alright guys, let's wrap this up. Go on, get out of here. So we got the both boards up, which looks really nice. We've got the finished plate on. We've got the garage door opener back up and working. That's a generator plug. Talk about that in a minute. And then we've got the pegboard over here around the new panel, which, man, looks great. Looks much better. So basically the idea with this is, and I don't recommend you guys do this unless you're staying at your house for a long time and you know what you're doing with electrical, because this right here is not the way you do this. But this is actually a generator plug. Well, no, it's actually a travel trailer plug, as it says on there. I'm using it for a generator plug. Anyhow, basically what I'm doing here is backfeeding the house. So I've got a breaker over here. So if the power ever goes out, I can run downstairs, I can shut the main breaker off to the electric company, and I can leave the breaker for the garage turned on. I can come out here, start up the generator, plug it in, and then when I flip this breaker right here, this 15, it will send power to the garage and backfeed through the house. I only have 15 amps, so it'll run the lights, it'll run refrigerator, things like that. It won't run air conditioning or any of that stuff because I don't have a heavy enough line out here. But at least now I have a disconnect. Before it was just live all the time. But so I can flip that and that will backfeed the house. So that's what that is. Again, not the right way to do it really at all, but since I'm the only one here and I know what I'm doing, it's a cheap and easy way to hook a generator to your house. You know, if you don't want to do a transfer switch or pay somebody to go all crazy with it. So that's what that is, guys. Project's done. Part 6 finished. Just back up here a little bit. Wow. Boy, does that look great from when we started, huh? So anyways, guys, let's go on, get out of here. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Really good series. Happy the way it came out. Definitely an improvement out here in the garage. Looks really great. Really happy with it. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to subscribe down below for more content like it in the future and hands-on DIY type things. Be sure to turn post notifications on so you know when I upload a video. And comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this, how it turned out, what it looks like to you. If you have any questions or things you'd like help with in the future, let me know. As always, guys, and I don't believe I've said this in the videos, be sure to shut off the electric when you're doing any kind of electrical work. That's number one, and I don't think I prefaced with that, but make sure you do that. With that said, guys, take care, get out there, do it yourself.